HAJKA Outdoor Oven, your new friend when cooking outdoors. The goal was to create the smartest and the most compact oven on the market, one that could be easily stored in a backpack, kayak, or camper van. The oven fits most gas stoves on the market. HAJKA can make lasagna, bake a whole chicken on 1 kilo, cook meat, fish, tofu, or vegetables, and even fry food in the baking tin. All parts of the HAJKA are produced in Sweden and Europe. Shields create even bottom heat. Air rises on the sides, giving your cake the crust you want. Bake a cake for 8 people with only 17 grams of gas. Food outdoors will never be the same.